Virgin Explorers! Pine Ridge Trail, doing our part to just try and make it a little better for all the backpacking visitors by clipping away at some of this brush that's blocking the trail. All right, we are at Barlow Flat, Pine Ridge Trail, about to go explore Big Sur River and then another side tributary. It's gonna be awesome. Making our way down the Big Sur River. We are swim walking our way through this micro gorge here. We found the spring. This was our primary destination for this side hike, and I'm gonna fill my water bottle. It's gonna be awesome. And there's a little rapid we just walked around, a lot of wood.
It always looks worse when there's no water.
A lot of constriction.
I mean, think about how many rocks you think look like that on Cherry Creek.
Yeah.
I would say every...
Logwood Creek interconfluencing with Big Sur River. Do a little bit of canyoneering in reverse, see how it goes. Definitely colder water, very beautiful in here. Having a great time in Big Sur. Bigwood Creek, another amazing waterfall here. Top of Bigwood Falls, making our way up this creek. Alrighty, we made it to our next Big Sur waterfall. Gonna canyoneer up this gorge. See how it goes. We just made it above that last gorge. It was a little dangerous. Got my heart beating a little fast. And this next segment looks a lot more manageable, so we're gonna check it out. Getting real deep in the bedrock here. See a gorgeous cascade coming from behind this huge lake. So beautiful. Just climbed up that next segment, and looks like we're getting closer to our trail system. Found a cool little punch bowl here. These things can be very, very dangerous. You can get stuck in them and can't climb out. The granite's so smooth. Pretty incredible though. So the redwood is the trail. Virgin Explorers! I think I might try and transition onto the oak tree. Take that into the creek. You can see the turkey tail mushrooms growing on it. Oops, sorry buddy. Just a slack. Log to log. Just a little transfer there behind it. Okay, we are very much restricted to the stream bed. Everything else is just jungle. Getting closer to the redwoods, which is an indicator we're getting closer to the spot where this little creek intersects the trail. It's gonna be our pathway home. Oh, and there's a backpacker. Oh, what an amazing little creek here we got to explore. Big Sur is such a special place. It's just so incredible. Dropping into Barlow Flats under these giant redwoods. This is a very cool campsite, but not for us. We are gonna get back on trail, head over to Redwoods, find another redwood campsite. Nothing like sleeping under a redwood.